Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be learning about, first of all, we're going to be doing a couple of experiments, and we're going to be learning about air pressure. All you need to know is if it's hot air, then it's usually a high air pressure. If it's cold air, it's usually cold air pressure. So we're going to be doing a couple experiments of air pressure, and you'll see when the candle goes out. You might already have seen this at your house or in another video of science. Also, if you're copying us, and we're going too fast, pause the video and you could do the step that you're on. So our first experiment, we're going to be using these materials. It's going to include fire, so you'll want your parent to help you with this if you're like 5 or 6 or 7, because my dad's not going to let me. So you're going to need to have a parent. And so all we're going to do is, I'm going to take this candle off right now. Just pour this very slowly right down in there. I'm going to be using this jar, not the bigger glass, because you can see it raise up a little better than the bigger glass. But we're going to put it right in the middle, or like anywhere around the plate. So Dad's going to light it. Right, and we're going to be putting it on right there. You can watch it as it raises up. Watch. See, it's kind of raising up. See, the candle's floating and it's going. See, look at all that water raising up. That is because the air pressure inside of this bottle is cool than outside. So the outside is pushing the water in, and the cold pressure air is making the candle go out. That's how it is done. Basically, we're going to do a couple other experiments with an egg and stuff like that. And then you want to be careful with this part, because if it gets just a little bit of water on, don't worry, just dump it out. So, got a candle. We have another plate. You need your napkin to be always a tiny bit damp. So just like that. You might want to fold it so it gets all over the place. You just don't want to have it in one spot. Alright, so this should be good. Just flatten it right on the plate. We're going to get this. We're going to set it down. First, you need a candle. I'm just going to light it. Then we're going to see what happens. You want your parent to do this if you're 7 and you are allowed, because it could get on the napkin and that could be serious damage to your whole house. So you do this. When the candle goes out, I'm going to lift it up and you'll see what happens. It's going out. Push it down. And then, nope, not that time. Alright, let's try that again. And let's see what actually happens. And we are going to put this over. Make sure you put a lot of pressure. Push it down hard. Get that chisel. Kind of. Burns down. It'll burn all the oxygen out. Just like that. Eventually you want to put it down because it will drop, because all the oxygen will leak out. Actually, there's no more oxygen in there. The candle burned all of it out. Looks like it's still close now. That's how you do it. Now, only if I found a way to take this off. There. That got some hard suction on it. Finally.